Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 229 that I got on eBay. I paid $15.50 for this thing with its original tender. Now, when it arrived, this thing was just absolutely smashed. I mean, it was crushed in shipping. But I got it straightened out. I changed out the rear truck so I could put a standard knuckle coupler on it. The 229 only ran forward. And I finally got around to working on it today. Gave me something to do. Anyway, I've got it on the second rail. As you see, E-unit is now working. It actually ran quite well. It only ran forward. As you see, it is running really, really well. Best it's ever run, in fact. So a bit of judicious tweaking. Switch was dirty, of course. E-unit was filthy and sticky. But as you see, this is actually running really well now. It's really strange how much it coasts when I shut the power off. And that's a heavy locomotive. That weighs 4.5 pounds. As you see, turn the power off and it still moves a foot just under its own inertia. Neutral, forward, neutral, reverse. All right, so let's take this around the rail. Anyway, just got this reassembled. Like I said, I've been neglecting it since it got here. It ran forward, but it did not run in reverse. All right, let's take this around. Zoom, zoom. This is, I think, 14 Lionel cars. As you see, this is running absolutely splendidly. This is a heavy locomotive. Old original tender. Like I said, I changed that rear truck just so I could run it. It had the original latch type couplers. They won't couple with anything except latch couplers. And I want to be able to use this tender, so just swapped out the rear truck, put a standard Lionel, modern Lionel truck on it. And this old locomotive is up and running. It was definitely worth $15.50. There's no doubt about that. This is running really, really well. Neutral, reverse, neutral, and forward. So I'm happy with it. Anyway, finally got around to working on it a bit. It runs much, much better. Forward, reverse, neutral. Looks nice, it's complete. Has its original tender. It was definitely worth the 15 bucks. There's no doubt about that. It's smooth, it's quiet. So, in any case, I just want to do a follow-up video on it. Because it ran forward perfect. It just wouldn't run in reverse. And reverse is actually no big deal. I mean, when it comes right down to it, how often do you run a locomotive in reverse? Anyway, runs nice, looks nice, was definitely worth 15 bucks. The tender's worth that much. So this is running much, much better. Forward, reverse, and neutral, of course. Neutral, as you see. So light bulb's working, E-unit is working, switch is now working, so you can lock out the E-unit if you want, just let it run forward. But as you see, it runs quite well. It's in really decent condition. Why I got it so cheap, I have absolutely no idea. But as you see, this thing's running just absolutely splendidly now. Anyway, just a quick video on this. Lionel 229. This is an old locomotive with its original tender. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.